Ready for a cosmic challenge? This is the A to Z astronomy quiz. We're going to test your knowledge of the universe with 26 questions, one for every letter of the alphabet. Let's see how many you can get right. Listen closely. Let's begin. Question A. I am a rocky object orbiting the Sun, mostly found in a belt between Mars and Jupiter. What am I? You get 5 seconds. An asteroid. Did you guess it right? Question B. I am a region of spacetime where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. What am I? You get 5 seconds. A black hole. Were you correct on that one? Question C. I am a dirty snowball of ice, rock, and dust that develops a glowing tail as I get close to the Sun. What am I? You get 5 seconds. That's a comet. Did you know it's called a dirty snowball? Question D. I am a type of planet, like Pluto, that orbits the Sun but hasn't cleared its orbital neighborhood. What am I? You get 5 seconds. A dwarf planet. That's the one. Question E. I happen when one celestial body passes in front of another, blocking the light, like when the moon covers the Sun. What am I? You get 5 seconds. An eclipse. Did you picture the right event? Question F. I am the process in a star's core, like our Sun, where light atoms combine to form heavier ones, releasing massive energy. What am I? You get 5 seconds. The answer is fusion, a truly powerful process. Question G. I am a massive, gravitationally bound system of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, and dust. The Milky Way is one. What am I? You get 5 seconds. It's a galaxy, just like our Milky Way. Question H. I am the famous space telescope launched in 1990 that has provided incredible images of deep space. What am I? You get 5 seconds. The one and only Hubble Space Telescope. Did you name it? Question I. This word describes the vast, empty space between star systems. What is it? You get 5 seconds. That empty space is called interstellar space. Got it? Question J. I am the largest planet in our solar system, a gas giant known for my great red spot. What am I? You get 5 seconds. Of course, it's Jupiter. Were you right? Question K. I am the region of icy bodies beyond Neptune, where many comets and dwarf planets reside. What am I? You get 5 seconds. That icy region is the Kuiper Belt. That was a bit of a tricky one. Question L. I am the distance light travels in 1 year, a unit used to measure vast cosmic distances. What am I? You get 5 seconds. A light year. That's right.
Wow, great job. You made it all the way from A to L. Glowing star. But our space adventure isn't over yet. We still have M, N, O, all the way to Z. Want to see the rest of our cosmic quiz? Don't forget to follow and subscribe to @Brightsprocket to catch part 2. See you there, space explorers.